Here's how to change your Apple ID on your Mac. But before you do that, go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below. So there's two places that we need to sign out in order to log in with a new Apple ID. So go ahead and open up the App Store, and we're going to log out of our Apple ID from here. Once you open the App Store, we're going to click on Store and then Sign Out. You click on that, and then you will be a sign in button. Click on that, and then you can sign in with your new Apple ID. Enter your password, and then you will be signed into your new Apple ID. The other way we need to do it is by logging out of the system settings. So you can go to your system settings, click on Apple ID, click on Overview, and as you can see on the bottom, there's a sign out button. If this video helped you out, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, like, and please comment any questions you have. I'll see you in the next video.